drawing something chirpy, cheerful, and full of feathers. It's a bird! Grab your black marker and let's get started on this fantastic adventure! Let's begin with the outline. Don't worry, just follow along with me step by step. Draw the first shape. Now, add this curve here. Take your time, little artist. We're not in a race. Great job! You're doing amazing! Let's draw these big, bright, and super cute eyes. They'll bring our drawing to life. Who knew drawing could be this much fun, huh? Now, let's finish the rest of the shapes and details. There you go! Our outline is ready! Now comes the fun part. Let's go over the lines to make them bold and bright. Use your marker and trace slowly. Steady hands and proud hearts. It's coloring time! Are you ready to bring your art to life?
Color time is every day.
Green color, like fresh grass on a spring day.
Grab your markers, paint and pen. Let's make magic once again. Color time, draw with me. Sun and moon and a buzzing bee. Dots and dashes, line by line. Chinky makes it super fine. Draw a fishy in the sea.
Wow, look how cool your drawing looks already.
Toe to top, we won't stop. Flip, flop, pop. Up and down, side to side. Chinky's colors make you smile so wide. Draw your dreams and draw your...
Subscribe to Chinky Drawing Arts for more fun and easy drawings.
Color time, yay, hooray. We make art in every way. Chinky's world is bright.
Yellow color, so sunny and happy. Slow and smooth.
You must try this.
You're making this look so beautiful. Wow! Let's add a little bit more. Just like that.
Nice.
Ooh, look at those colors shine. It's looking better than ever. And you did it! Just look at your drawing. It's bright, it's bold, and it's beautiful. Just like you. Give yourself a high five. You worked so hard, and it totally shows. Before we go, don't forget to share your artwork with someone you love, make them smile today, and hit that thumbs up if you had fun drawing with me. See you soon, little artists. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep shining. Bye-bye.